Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of a makeup haul. I'm super pumped. It's a little bit of a collective haul. I have a few things that are on the way which I will share when they come in, but I do have some Colourpop, some Sephora, and Ulta. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to get into the Colourpop haul. One of the first items I did buy was the Colourpop No Filter Foundation. I actually have thoughts on all the things I bought already because I've used it all. But, well, actually, except for one thing. I didn't use one thing. But this is in Fair 10. This is such a good color match. I'm going to be doing a whole video on this though, so I will talk about it. But I did pick this up. Next, I really loved the No Filter Concealer. So they finally expanded the shade range and all that. And I picked up Fair 2. Guys, if you're fair skinned, really recommend this. It is super light and it's just so great. And I've noticed that my other one did a decent dry down. When it dried down, it got a decent bit darker. This one does not do that. It stays super bright and I love it. I'm so happy because it's hard to find a really good, affordable, really light concealer when you're fair. So definitely check that out. Next, I picked up just this cream gel liner. I got it in Swerve. It's just like a nice black. This is actually really good. I've been using this non-stop. Love this. I plan on picking up more colors. It really lasts in the waterline. It's super opaque and I really love this. I definitely want more shades. This is a really great formula. It's only like $5, so. Next, I got this gel liner by Colourpop, and it's in the shade Besto. I also picked up the eyeliner brush, which just looks like this. Brushes are pretty good, I gotta admit. It's a pretty good brush. Nothing too much to say about that. Here's the shade here. I love the color of this. However, I will say, I did notice with this formula, it is pretty dry, and it's like that first little almost layer, it's like too stiff and nothing was really coming off. I had to use quite a bit to actually get a nice line. So it is a bit drying, so I probably wouldn't buy another one of these. But like I said, I love these liners. So these are the eyeliners I'll probably stick to from Colourpop. I don't know if I just got a weird one or what, but this one's just way too dry. Next, super excited, okay. I had to get the Zodiac palette. This is a Kathleen Lights collab, but without that, I just wanted this palette. This color, love this color story. I'm also really into astrology and all that, so I really like that aspect. I love the packaging. I think it's so pretty. This one does have a mirror, blind you real quick, but I love the color scheme. I don't know if you could tell because I know my lights do wash my stuff out a lot, but love this and this one a lot. I have to venture out and do more looks because lately every time I've been doing a look, I've been using this shade mixed with one of these kind of these lighter shades here. Really love the Gemini a lot in the Sagittarius, but I plan on doing a look using the Pisces because that's so pretty. But so far, guys, I love this palette, but I'll probably have a whole video of it up. And the last thing I got from Colourpop is the My Little Pony palette. They put this on sale, and if you guys remember, I did a video a while back where it's I don't know, it was like a chit chat one where I talked about makeup I wanted. And I've been wanting this palette for a while. Not because it's My Little Pony. That wasn't really my thing growing up. It was kind of I was kind of already older when that was a thing. But love this. I love the color scheme. I feel like it's got some you can totally do a neutral look, but you can do a really fun bright look, and I really just love this. So far I haven't used any of these real bright shades yet. Really love this neutral shade here. I don't know what it is. It reminds me a lot of that shade Nectar that was in my Lorac Pro 2 palette. And that was actually one of the few shades I actually hit pan on in that palette before it went bad. But I love that shade. I've also used this shade and this shade just to go with the Zodiac one. So I haven't used this completely yet, but I will. And when I do, I'll give a review. But so far, I'm pretty happy with it and I'm excited. I do have a few more things coming from Colourpop, but some of the things came sold out because it was through the Zodiac collection. So I'm not sure. But we will see, and I will definitely update you. But without further ado, let's get into some Ulta haul stuff. Next, I picked up the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Foundation. Oh my god, guys, I got this on right now. this is such a nice foundation. It just looks so pretty. This is in Porcelain L1, by the way. It's a tad dark for me. Like, let me put it up next to the Colourpop here. It's just a little bit more yellow, where I find that this Colourpop one's a bit more neutral. But it's workable. I don't think it looks like crazy, I don't think. But I absolutely love this so far. Like, I've only used it like 3 times, so I shouldn't say that yet. But so far I have loved it. But guys, this is nice. I like it. I'll do a whole video once I use it more, because I like to use a foundation when I do stuff. At least for like, it's got to be at least for a few weeks, you know? I don't know, because I want to see if I break out, have any problems, all that stuff. Alright, so I was looking for my other things I got. Oh, here they are. Alright, next, this is kind of random, but I finally picked up that e.l.f. Ultimate Kabuki brush. This is another thing I just talked about randomly, being like, yo, I want this, and I finally picked it up. It's so big, but I love it. Just to kind of quickly go like this with a contour, and if you got any weird harsh line, you kind of like just pat it, like literally, because it's so big, it can just really just blend it. I absolutely love this. This is a nice freaking brush, like so nice. It reminds me a lot of that Becca one, and I always wanted that, but I would never spend $40 on a makeup brush. Ever. Next, I picked up just 2 NYX butter glosses. I've been getting back into lip glosses. I've been liking a more shiny lip lately. Granted, I know I don't got anything on my lips right now, but I have been loving a shiny lip, and I really loved these back in the day. I actually used mine up, if you guys have been on my channel for a while, but I picked up Tiramisu and Eclair because those are 2 of my favorite shades from before, so I definitely picked them up. Same great formula. These aren't like super pigmented, but they'll give you a nice flush. And they're super soft, and they make your lips look really supple and healthy. Last but not least, the Sephora haul. Guys, I'm so excited. I finally did it. This is the thing I have yet to try it all yet. And this is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick. Yeah, I know, I'm super pumped. I've been wanting this for a while. This is in the shade Amber. This package just came in today, so that's why I didn't get to use it. And they literally came as soon as I finished doing my makeup, and I waited too. They literally came, and I was like, why? But this is it. It's so pretty. You get a lot, I think a decent amount of product in this. Super pumped. This looks like a really good contour shade. It's like a really like cool and like gray toned. Perfect for like being super fair. It's got a nice weight. The color of this packaging, I think it's so pretty. I wanted to try this first. I almost got the trio, but then I was like, let me see. This is what I mainly wanted. So I was like, I'll just pick up this for now. And if I really like it and I actually like use it up, then I'll pick up a trio where I can try the concealer and stuff. But I just picked up my Colourpop concealer, so I was like, and I did get a bunch, a bunch of foundation samples when I did my Sephora order, so that's really cool. I'm hoping that I can hopefully try a few out and maybe like be able to tell you guys if it seems cool or not. So that's cool, but I did use some points. I did get, that's downstairs, like a mini like beauty blender like oil cleanser thing. Yeah, I don't have that. I'm gonna try that out tonight. Hopefully it works. And I picked up this little mini Cover FX Moonlit. Right, this Moonlit? Yeah, this is the Moonlit Cover FX drops. I've always wanted to try these, and I don't know, I thought about buying one, but I know I'll never go through one of those huge things like that, and it will go to waste. But look at this little mini. Oh my god. I feel like it'd be perfect for me to try. I know it's tiny, but you don't need that much. I was thinking with my super matte foundations, I'll use probably some as a highlight, but if I mixed it just like a little bit with my foundation to give me a nice glow, we'll see how that works. But this one's you could pick, but I picked this one because it looked a little bit pinky, and I figured that'd be cool, especially if I put it with the foundation that was like really matte and a little bit too yellow for me. We'll see. It's going to be a trial and error type deal, but I definitely want to see. But if I really like it, I'll buy a big one. But I wanted to see, will I actually use it? Is it going to go to waste? So we will find out. But yeah, I believe that's it. And in case I don't get a chance to update you, the things I was missing for the Colourpop order was which one was, the Element of Surprise palette. That is on the way. And I picked up like the two Supernova shadows, but the shade Constellation came sold out. But I believe Astrology is coming. So when those get here, I'll randomly just kind of throw a video up or include it in another video so you guys can know. But if you guys want specific reviews or anything like that, let me know down below. I'm going to continue to try to use both the foundations as well as the concealer and definitely the Fenty Matchstick, and totally give updates on that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.